All right, what about now? Is this better? It's got some veggies. Is this better than just an all-meat Italian? Let me show you what I did.
And yes, the money shot comes first. I got to show you guys what the sandwich is going to look like. Always wrap it up. Wrap it up. Let it sit and mind meld with all the ingredients before you eat it. All right, so I'm going to tell you right now, making this little change by adding a touch of the veggies to our Italian sandwich makes all the difference. This is my favorite way now of making this particular sandwich because we're adding flavor, texture, and like air pockets. Air pockets make a difference in this sandwich. 2 of the 3 ingredients you're going to need, I'll show you the third, and a technique you're going to need to make the sandwich, take it to the next level, are right here, the red onion and an avocado. Grab the avocado. Don't make fun of this one. So now you don't have to do it exactly like I'm showing you here, and you can just add, subtract whatever ingredients you want. But I'm telling you this right here, the red onion, the avocado, and lettuce. You need the lettuce here for one big reason, okay? So we're going to chop up the lettuce, finely chop it. We're going to add in the onions, finely chopped, and then the avocados. Now, this little mixture that we're making, there's an important reason for this. It functions, it's going to hold the Italian dressing together. We're going to toss it all together and work in that Italian dressing, and it's going to hold that dressing. This is something to where you get all of the flavor of the lettuce, the red onion, the avocado, the Italian dressing, and it all kind of stays together in this mixture. We're going to put that on the sandwich. So how about we put this sandwich together in less than a minute and a half. Now, there are so many ingredients that can make or break a sandwich, but I think that the bread is probably the most important thing, especially when you're lifting it up to that next level. If you can get a fresh loaf of bread and eat it either that day or the day after is fine, but get your favorite piece of bread and start with that. And I do have to recommend, do not skimp on your mayo. If you are buying your mayo, my favorite to buy is Duke's mayo. And then you're going to shake in some pepper. I like to put in my homemade red pepper flakes. And then we're going to put in that lettuce, avocado, red onion blend. And then start with our salami, our garlic bologna, our mortadella. You can fold the pieces over to create, some more air pockets in your sandwich if you like that. Or you can go completely flat and make a dense sandwich. Just kind of depends on my mood for that day. So today we're going with a little extra air pockets in our sandwich by folding them over. But we're going to kind of smush it, condense it all down when we wrap it up. And again, one of the most important parts of having a sandwich, aside from the bread and some really top quality ingredients, is wrapping it up for 30 minutes, an hour. Wrap it up so that those flavors and all of those different ingredients kind of meld together, and you are good to go. This is my sandwich kicked up with some veggies. Let me know what you think.